Find or read reviews that people are talking about QCONTROL, 4K 5G Wi-Fi, 3-channel Dashcam, front and rear inside. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p, 3-channel recording. Equipped with a 4K front camera, 170 degrees, a 1080p interior camera, 150 degrees, and a 1080p rear camera, 150 degrees, the J08 Pro wireless dashcam for car captures every detail around your vehicle in ultra-sharp clarity. This advanced triple lens setup provides full front, inside, and rear coverage, ensuring you never miss a moment and your car is protected from all angles. A true game-changer in car dashcam 3-channel technology. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi offers ultra-fast transfer to your phone via the free Aegir app, seamlessly preview, replay, download, and share footage. With GPS tracking, the wireless dashcam for car records speed, route, and location data, displaying them clearly on Google Maps. Whether you're saving memories or key evidence, this dashcam front and rear camera wireless keeps you connected and protected. Superior night vision. The J08 Pro car dashcam front and back inside is built for low light performance. Featuring a large image sensor, 4 IR lights, and advanced WDR technology, it captures ultra-clear footage of license plates, cabin activity, and surrounding vehicles even in extreme low light condition. Whether you're driving at night, in tunnels, or under dim street lights, this car camera dashcam front and rear wireless never compromises on detail or safety. G-sensor collision detection and loop recording. Equipped with a built-in G-sensor, the J08 front and rear dash camera automatically detects sudden impacts or vibrations and instantly locks the footage before and after a collision, keeping it safe from being overwritten. This ensures you always have critical evidence when disputes arise. With smart loop recording, the wireless dashcam front and rear inside captures non-stop footage, automatically replacing old files when storage is full. 24/7 parking monitor with triple protection. Even when your car is off, the J08 Pro dash camera for cars front and rear inside stays alert. If motion or impact is detected, camera car records and locks footage 10 seconds before and 20 seconds after the event, capturing vital evidence when it matters most. Note, this dashcam inside and outside feature requires a hardwire kit, sold separately. Easy setup and user-friendly operation. The J08 Pro dashcam front and inside rear is designed for effortless setup. Just mount, plug in, and start recording. The 4K dashcam front and rear includes a full toolkit and clear user guide to make installation and setting simple. The intuitive interface lets you manage settings directly on screen. This 3-channel dashboard camera is built for ease of use, even for first-time users. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.